Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is the Melanin May and I make videos centered around skincare, sometimes a bit of lifestyle. So stick around, make sure to follow, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. So for the beginning of this video, I'm doing a very simple basic makeup look. I do not do much with my makeup. I'm just doing a very simple look, just normal foundation, a bit of blush. I have done my skin prep. I was going to show you guys what I use. Hard luck, I did the skincare before I started this video, so I'll probably show you guys next time, but I'm done with the skin prep. So this is the primer from MAC and I just used that. So I'm going with the next thing now, which is my foundation, and I'll just get it. So I think that the secret to having like a flawless base, something we should all know by now, I think it's skincare basically. Once your skin is okay from like the base, then it makes it a lot easier for basically everything to blend in. In spray over. I'm using the Nova Beauty in 046. I'm going in with the benign luxury setting powder. Of the blush thing, different shades, so I think I'll be using this one and this one.
Let's hear what you got.
All right. Release them.
Wrap it up. Exit that way. Thank you. Please get the fuck out of here.
Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you.
At this point, I am running on vibes. I'm using the same palette to get like this wet eye. To get like this wet eye. Did not come with your ATM, you are not eating.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna leave, when I don't have the strength. I'm just a mirror of what I see. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know.
I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked